Want to enhance your education with procrastination? Follow my enunciation with dedication and pronunciation. 1. Appoint. 2. Courageous. 3. Cowardly. 4. Grit. 5. Opportunity. 6. Ridiculous. 7. Sentimental. 8. Smithereens. 9. Squabbling. 10. Truce. To grind is grit, tiny bits of smithereens. Sentimental is a value based on feelings. Turn the volume up, tune into the vocabulary king. It's all about the way I rap, nothing to do with how I sing. If you don't like it, find a better way to think. It's coming so fast, you won't have a chance to blink. But know this, I'm sick of this. This is silly, illogical. This is ridiculous. It's RIDICULOUS. You just better play this back slow. I got students with averages 60 and below. You're failing? Are you failures? When it comes to surviving, can you answer your own prayers? Does that question carry validity? Is it safe to say that you enjoy stupidity? I hope not. You're better than that. You should want to succeed. That should be your goal. You have something in your favor that's known as opportunity. You seem to be more interested in begging for immunity. You convict or criminal-minded wannabe, do me a favor and close your eyes for me. Allow me to have 3 minutes of your time and allow these words to seep deep into your mind. Breath, 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 breath. If you're lacking courage, if you're cowardly, told that studying's for losers, won't let anybody see, then I can't call you courageous or characterize you with bravery, but insanity. Please mind my profanity, I expect to be disappointed. Your grade's already been appointed, said officially. I'm tired of this inconsistency, just like you're tired of my raspy voice. You can turn me off, you have the choice. So if your ears starting to bleed, you're pulling your hair loose, you want to give up, make peace, holla, truce, truce. That leaves only one word left. It's squabbling, and I can't spit it in one breath. It means to disagree noisily, as is aggravating if you were to poison me. So listen here, listen clear, there's nothing left to fear. You don't need a book for this, cause I'm living in your ear. 1. Appoint. 2. Courageous. 3. Cowardly. 4. Grit. 5. Opportunity. 6. Ridiculous. 7. Sentimental. 8. Smithereens. 9. Squabbling. 10. Truce.